Godliver Owomugisha. A lecturer at Busitema University, and I'm also a researcher in the field of AI and data science, where I lead one of the research groups and one of the leading projects we have in agriculture. That is to do with crop monitoring using artificial intelligence. And at this point, we've been trying to scale out some of the tools we have, as well as also try to create more science to or validate some of the tools we have already developed to work in the field. We want to be able to detect diseases at a very, very early stage. And here I'll bring in some technology called spectroscopy or spectrometry. Yeah, so if you really ask the farmers today, if you really interface with the farmers today, I think they have several challenges, but then they will tell you regarding maybe cassava planting, someone is concerned how would they get clean material to ensure that they don't face the disease later on. So for us, this has been one of the leading technologies that we are having on this project, working together with the National Agriculture Institute. So through this, we are able to move from the high-end spectroscopy, because spectrometry technology is just one of the is one of the new technologies. Maybe could be used in other areas, but in crop disease measuring and also nutrient measuring, it's one of the things that we're having new here. So we constructed a low-cost technology, which is a low-cost 3D add-on spectrometer. And so in this part, we try to collect data with this tool, particularly, as well as validating the device with the other high-end spectrometers. So, and we are able to monitor these crops and see what stage of infection are they. Are we able to detect symptoms or diseases when we can't even see them with our own naked eye? Or do we wait later when perhaps it is close to harvest, or it is close after many months? It was also important to reach out to these farmers and see if we have a EGN app and we give it to them on their phones, can they use it? And also, would they be willing to give us any information they have in the field using this technology? So it's one of the things to do with technology adoption and understanding the needs of these people that we want to give further technologies that we are developing at the university as a lab. We know that really smartphones have taken over Africa at the moment, yeah. So everyone would want to hold a smart gadget. So, and that's one of the reasons why we think we need to pass our information through these small smartphones. And they're really not very expensive. It's not an iPhone or a very high-end smartphone, but it's one of the low-end smartphones any local person could have. So one of our objectives or targets is to have technology that can really fit on a low-end device. So if you talk about spectroscopy, for example, in the end product of this tool, the main end goal of this thing is that we have a small chip or a small device that could sense through, e.g., through your camera, and then a farmer can just have it there attached on his phone, and can also maybe keep it later so that it doesn't get spoiled. So, but the whole thing is that they can use it anytime. They can use it anytime, maybe at growth, at planting, later, before really harvest. And also considering that we live in different environments where, e.g., you have no internet connectivity, which is very difficult actually to deploy these tools. So we also we put that into consideration, that we could also have models which you don't need internet access to get a service. Research is really very, very wide for sure. There's still a lot of gap in every aspect. So we may be looking at, we may be thinking uh, crop disease is the highest problem that you can get, but this is may come, yes, it may come first or second, but there could be also other related things that we can do. So there is still a lot of work to do here regarding food security, with connected challenges in markets, in seedlings, in climate change and effects. So really, I would not highlight all those challenges, but I think the best thing is that uh, once you're already working, then there is an impact. You're really contributing to a society, to a community, and then to people who are interested, the young teams that we are leading. So this is this is the direction we are all taking to ensure that we have enough food for everyone in the country and also in the region.